In this video, I'll show you the must-have GTA 4 mods for 2026 that improve graphics, upgrade road textures, and add supercars for a better gameplay experience. Check my video description for these mod link. First one is iCEnhancer. Select the download option. Select start download option. After it start downloading, check my video description for the second mod link. Select this download all option. Once this download done, check my video description for this third mod link. Select the download option. Select start download. Once all these files download done, open this iCEnhancer. Just right click and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. And open this main files patch 7 and 8. Open the main files. And now right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop all these files inside. Before doing this, backup your GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and take backup. Once you did, open the GTA 4, drag and drop all these files inside. Place the file in the destination. Once this done, just close stuff here and open the downloads folder. Right click on the iCEnhancer WinRAR and select extract to. After the extract done, open the OpenIV. If it doesn't have installed yet, then check my video description for this install video. Watch this video and install the OpenIV. Once you install done, select this Tools tab and select Package Installer and open the iCEnhancer. Open the Optionals folder, Improvements and Improved Lights and select this patch and select Open. Select this Install option and select Confirm Installation. Once this installation done, select the Tools tab again and select Package Installer and go to Downloads folder and select this IV base and select Open. Select this Install option and select Confirm Installation. After this installation done, just close and again select this Tools and select Package Installer and this time select EFLC and select the Open option. Select Install, select Confirm Installation. Once this installation done, close stuff here. Now right click on the Excellent Core Pack and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR and open this Excellent Core Pack. Open the GTA 4 folder. Right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. The final mod you need to spawn vehicles, you need a trainer. Check my video description for this C menu IV. Select the download option and scroll down and select the Solica patch. Select the download option. Download this both. Once you download done, go to downloads. Right click on this Zolica patch and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Open the game folder. Drag and drop all these files except the readme. Place the file in the destination. Open this for extra menu options and drag and drop this ASI. Replace the file in the destination. And then just go back and open this Z menu. Drag and drop all these files except the readme and make sure you selected the Z menu assets and then just drag and drop these files. Place the file in the destination. Once all this done, launch the game using Play GTA 4. Create a desktop shortcut. Next time you can easily launch. Once you are in game, press the F7 key and Solica menu will opens up. Using the numpad 2 key, you can go down. Using the 8 key in numpad, you can go up. To select any options, use 5. Go to spawn and spawn corresponding model list and get lost and find this Turismo. Will get this Ferrari supercar. Press the F7 key again, and now you can drive the supercar. Cut the graphics, guys. It's shining. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.